Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study With. You have seen so many things around you. Some are made by nature, those are natural things. Some are made by humans, those are artificial or human-made things. There is another difference between the things. Some are living things and some are non-living things. Look at this picture. Can you tell the difference between the two ducks? Yes, first one is a toy duck and second one is the living duck. Plants, animals or living things, and table, chair, cars, computers and buildings are non-living things. Have you wondered how living things are different from the non-living things? Let us find out. All living things need food to grow and live. Most plants make their own food, and animals get their food either from plants or other animals. For example, a kingfisher bird eats fish while a cow eats grass. We all eat food. Does your school bag need food? No, because that is non-living thing. So, non-living things do not need food. All living things grow. A chick hatches from an egg and grows into a cock. A little baby grows into a child, the child grows into an adult. A seed grows into a small plant and the small plant grows into a big plant. Have you seen your doll grows? No, because your doll is a non-living thing. So non-living things do not grow. All living things breathe. They need air to breathe. I am also breathing. Take. Inhale, exhale. But non-living things do not breathe. All living things feel. Your pet dog would probably start wagging its tail when it sees you. This is because it feels happy. You feel pain when you hurt yourself. Just as animals feel, plants also feel. The leaves of a touch-me-not plant close when you touch them. Will a toy animal wag its tail when you hug it? No, because it is a non-living thing. So, non-living things do not feel. All living things move. A parrot flies, horse runs. Plants do not move like animals, but their parts show some kind of the movement. A sunflower turns in the direction of sun. Non-living things do not show any kind of the movement. For example, you will have to kick a ball to move. All living things reproduce. You must have seen kittens, puppies and chicks. Animals reproduce by laying eggs or giving birth to young ones. Human beings give birth to young ones. Most plants produce seeds from which new plants grow. But non-living things do not reproduce.